AI can be used during the design phase to simulate thousands of different scenarios, earthquakes, floods, extreme traffic, to help engineers create the most robust design imaginable. One of the most iconic bridges in the world, the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, is honestly a powerful example of forward-thinking engineering. When it opened in 1937, it was the longest and tallest suspension bridge in the world, a true marvel of its time. Its chief engineer, Joseph Strauss, and his team faced some incredible challenges. They had to build a bridge that could withstand strong ocean currents, high winds, and the constant threat of earthquakes from the nearby San Andreas Fault. Their success is really a lesson in building for longevity. The designers made several brilliant choices that have allowed the bridge to endure for decades. They developed a flexible design that allows the bridge to sway safely in high winds, up to 27 feet at the center of the span. The story of the Golden Gate Bridge is also, in many ways, a story of constant care and innovation. It has a dedicated team of engineers and maintenance workers who are always inspecting, repairing, and upgrading it. The future of engineering is being shaped by a new generation of bright, creative, and diverse minds. For a long time, civil engineering was a field dominated by men, but that is changing, and this change is bringing fresh perspectives and, honestly, some really innovative ideas. Women are now playing a crucial role in designing and building the infrastructure of tomorrow. They are leading major projects, pioneering research into new materials, and bringing a more collaborative and holistic approach to the field. Young engineers, armed with the latest digital tools and a passion for solving global challenges, are also right at the forefront of this transformation. They grew up with technology and are naturally skilled at using advanced software, AI simulations, and data analytics to push the boundaries of what is possible. They are not just thinking about how to build a stronger bridge. They are thinking about how to build a bridge that is environmentally friendly, that integrates seamlessly with its community, and that uses resources wisely. Ultimately, strong and durable bridges matter for every single one of us. They are the foundation of a functioning society and a strong economy. By investing in AI-proof bridges and supporting the diverse new generation of engineers who build them, we are investing in our collective future. We are building a world that is safer, better connected, and more resilient. The bridges we build today are our legacy, a promise of strength and stability for the generations who will follow.